Okay folks, this is Phil at Monaco, Montreal, and I think I just found what should be the best promotional vehicle for any surf shop, sport shop, kite surfing shop in the world. And this is a Volkswagen 1987 DOKA, which is a double cabin, which is actually a pickup truck. But the beauty of this is that more than $60,000 Canadian was spent to restore this to this pristine condition. If you just look at the unit on its own, the paint is absolutely perfect. And for those who think that this is not cool, then go look somewhere else, because this is freaky cool. Here it's a two-wheel drive and everything has been redone on it. You got the custom bumper, you got the brand new lights, a big bar light on the top, GTI wipers, the quality of the paint and the work that was done on it, even underneath where we used to have a spare tire, now you have even a storage area. 16-inch wheel, these came on a 14-inch wheel. This is Bilstein all across, all around the car, and it's not lifted, but because this is so powerful, it looks actually lifted. Now those who are looking for a DOKA in that state, well, you would not find one if it's not in a collection of a very wealthy man. You do have the treasure chest that is absolutely in pristine order. It's brand new. It's just brand new. Everything was redone on it. If you look underneath, the paint underneath the car is better than most, like the regular paint of a regular car. You got oversized front disc brake, you got disc brake at the back, custom rear bumper, you got a hitch, and you also have an exhaust that is a sports exhaust. Again, on the other side, you have access to the treasure chest. Now, double cab means that you have an extra third door here, and even the seats were redone. So the interior also went through restoration, and you got Vanagon seats because you have the armrest. The owner really loved the concept of being able to drive for a long period of time, and they look just brand new. It's amazing, the quality. It's of course the interior that looks like a Rabbit GTI 1984, same dash. You have a Kenwood sound system so you could party your life, and you have a big shot stick shift. That is the coolest thing, which is the best way to shift one of these units. In the middle, you got a special compartment that you can lock so you could put your valuables in it when you go to the beach. So the interior is actually better than when it came out of the factory. So if we look at this flatbed, super cool. All three sides fold up like this, and if you weld a rack to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 surfboard, this could become your promotional truck for your surf shop, or delivery and pickup of board that you rented to clients to bring back to very luxury hotels. So this become a super cool way to promote your shop. At the back, you got a water-cooled boxer engine from Volkswagen that's been fully restored with electronic fuel injections. What a unit! What a spectacular way to promote your shop. This is for sale for 50 grand US. So if you think that this could be cool for you, this is in Canada, so we're gonna bring it across the border. There might be an additional tax to go across the border, small fees, and we will deliver it anywhere on the East Coast from Vermont all the way to Florida. So up to you, $50,000 for a Volkswagen DOKA 1987. You will not find any better condition than this, maybe at Barrett-Jackson auction.